Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English Talk.
Thank you for joining us. Let's start learning English together.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation tonight, or would you like us to get seated?
Good evening. We do not have a reservation, but we would like a quiet table for two near the window, please.
Please follow me inside. Would you prefer a booth, a standard table, or seating closer to the bar area tonight?
A booth would be nice, somewhere comfortable and not too noisy because we want to talk, relax, and enjoy dinner.
Here are your menus. Can I start you with water, or would you like to order drinks immediately instead now?
Water is perfect for now, thank you, and we will look at the menu carefully before deciding on food tonight.
Would you like to hear today's specials, including chef recommendations, seasonal dishes, and discounted combinations available for dinner guests tonight?
Yes, please tell us the specials, especially anything popular, light, and flavorful, since this is our first visit here tonight.
Our grilled chicken pasta and baked salmon are favorites, served with fresh vegetables and house sauce prepared daily by chefs.
That sounds great. We will order one salmon, and we still need a minute to decide the second dish now.
Would you like any appetizers while waiting, such as soup, salad, fries, or something to share before main courses arrive tonight?
Yes, one tomato soup and one fries to share would be perfect while we wait for the main dishes tonight.
Great choice. How would you like your salmon cooked, and do you prefer any specific side dish with it today?
Grilled, please, with steamed vegetables and maybe rice if possible, because I prefer something light and healthy for dinner tonight.
And for you, sir, what would you like to order as your main course this evening from our menu today?
I will take the steak medium with mashed potatoes, and please add pepper sauce on the side for me tonight.
Would you like anything to drink with your meals? Perhaps soda, juice, coffee, or something from our cocktail list tonight?
One cola for me and one lemonade for her, both without ice. Please bring them with the appetizers when ready.
Perfect. I will place your order now and return shortly with drinks and starters for your table very soon tonight.
Thank you. We appreciate your help and friendly service. It already makes us feel comfortable dining here this evening tonight.
Here are your drinks and soup. Please check everything and tell me if you need anything else at all now.
Everything looks great, thank you. We will start with soup and wait for our main dishes to arrive shortly here.
Your main courses will be ready soon. Would you like me to bring extra napkins, sauces, or bread meanwhile today?
Extra napkins would help, thank you. And maybe some ketchup for the fries if that is available here for us.
Here are your meals. Please be careful. Plates are hot, and let me know if everything tastes right for you.
Looks amazing, thank you. We appreciate the presentation and smell, and we are excited to try everything on the table.
I will check back shortly. Please enjoy your food and call me if you need anything at all during dinner.
Thank you, we will. Everything seems perfect so far, and we are really enjoying the calm atmosphere inside this restaurant tonight.
How is the steak and salmon? Are they cooked the way you requested earlier this evening for your dinner tonight?
Both taste excellent. Steak is juicy, salmon is tender, and we are very satisfied with our dinner choices tonight here.
Would you like to see our dessert menu, or would you prefer coffee or tea instead after dinner tonight?
Dessert menu, please. We might share something sweet before leaving, especially if you recommend something popular from your desserts tonight.
Our chocolate cake and cheesecake are best sellers, both freshly prepared today by our pastry chef for guests here tonight.
We will take one cheesecake to share and 2 coffees. Please bring them after clearing our plates from the table.
Certainly. I will bring those shortly. Please relax while we prepare your dessert and coffee fresh for you both now.
Thank you. We appreciate your service. It has been friendly, fast, and very professional throughout the entire evening here tonight.
Here are your cheesecake and coffee. Please enjoy and tell me if you need the bill printed for you now.
Everything looks wonderful. Thank you. And yes, please bring the bill whenever you have a free moment for us now.
I will bring the bill immediately. Thank you for dining with us tonight. We truly appreciate your visit here today.
Thank you. We enjoyed the food, service, and atmosphere, and we will definitely visit again very soon with friends here.
We hope you had a pleasant evening and look forward to welcoming you again very soon at our restaurant here.
We certainly did, thank you, and we will recommend this place to our friends and family members very highly soon.
Have a safe trip home and thank you again for choosing our restaurant this lovely evening for dinner with us.
Thank you, goodbye, and please share our compliments with the chef and all staff members working here this evening tonight.
Goodbye. We appreciate your visit and hope to serve you again very soon when you return to our restaurant here.
Goodbye, we will return because everything was excellent and the service truly made our night feel very special here tonight.
Take care and have a wonderful night. Thank you once again for visiting and dining with us here today, friends.
You too, have a great night, and thanks again for the warm welcome and friendly service from your team tonight.
We look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye, and thank you for supporting our restaurant and staff this evening, dear.
Goodbye, thank you. We will definitely return soon for another relaxing dinner here with friends and family very happily. Again.